What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back for another video. Did just grab some fire from the Nike clearance store. They have a Ross next door. We're gonna hit up some Ross. We're gonna hit up some Burlingtons. We're gonna hit up some shops there. Let's go. All right, Ross, Santa Clarita. Let's go. All right, we're gonna go to the sneaker section first. Haven't had too much luck at this Ross. And look at the sneaker section, pretty small. Just this one aisle right there, and then against the wall. Size 8, size 9, not looking too promising. Got some Puma basketball sneakers. I forgot, these didn't have a signature or anything, but I forgot the name of these. I do remember them coming out $30 for these. These are size 10. K-Swiss, I'm surprised we haven't seen more K-Swiss at these discount shops, $27. Got Hoka One One. These are the Challenger ATR 6s, and they're going for $70. These are size 12. Do got some Don Issue 4s down to $40. These are size 12. Top 10s right here, size 12 and a half, going for $45. Jamal Mashburns, I've seen a million of these, $25 for those. Do got some Forums. These ain't bad. Got metal lace tips, the aglets, not bad. $40 for these. These are like a size 12 or size 13. Kyrie Infinities have been hella cheap, going for $30. And last thing right here, the Crocs on steroids. These are going for $30. Get extra dirt right there. Damn. Found another one of these. I did grab one of these for a kid that I do know. Need to grab one for my own kiddo, so gonna grab these for $10. Winter's just around the corner. Got Carhartt beanies and stuff like that, $13. Materials like hella nice on those. Got this colorway right here as well, gonna be super bright. Levi's beanies, I got a good selection of beanies here. Winter's just around the corner, man. Remember when it was summer, man? I remember when summer just started. $13 for these Kind beanies right there. Cowboys utility gloves right here. They should be like $8. Oh, $5. Okay, yeah, that's what cowboy gear should be going for. Now what is this? Oh, this is a youth. Dang it, if this was a men's, I'd definitely get it for, is this a men's right here? Nike super bad gloves, youth football. These are youth as well. Dang it, $55 for these. Like if they were men's size, I'd grab them. Damn, these are vapor jets. Look at this, normally 40. These are normally 55, down to $10 a piece. Wow. And they got the Justin Herbert pillows. We've seen those before. How much would they go for? I don't remember the actual price. $17 for these. That's actually pretty cool. All right, we're gonna see what's up with the apparel section right here. Ooh, Michigan hoodie. This is a Nike. This is like really nice material. This is a small, they're normally $70 down to $25. Robinson jersey, $40. I don't know if he's still with the team or not. These are normally $130. That's a small. Nike hoodie right here, $30 if you want to be hella bright. Adidas pullover right here, go for $22 in a size medium. The material on this one's really nice right here, $25 for this one. Nike soccer, that's a medium. This looks super small. Oh, it's a women's medium. That's what I was. What the hell? $27.99. Adidas jacket right here. It's like a fleece, $25. U brand, pretty budget hoodie right here, $25. The material's not too bad though. Another jacket right here, going for $25. Nashville SC jersey, XL right here. What's the price? Normally $90. I don't see a Ross price on it though. Can't be that expensive. $17 for this right here. Couple more of these in XL. Holy cow, it is hot as hell. But yeah, we are checking out Burlington because in Vegas, found those fire Nike hoodies, Lakers hoodies. It's all about catching waves. It's all about timing and stuff. So yeah, we gotta check some Burlingtons. As I mentioned, it's all about waves, and when stuff hits, you gotta be out there ASAP. Check out the fleece and jacket section. See what's going on here. Reebok. This is a nice Reebok fleece jacket right here. It is a small though. It's small. $20. $20, not bad. Purple Nike fleece right here. Nike hoodie for 20 bucks. Not too bad. Normally 55. Check 4 different racks. Not really too much at this spot. See what's going on with the active top section right here. I think that's where I found it. I didn't even find it in the fleece last time. I think I just found it in this section right here. 47 brand Lakers shirt. This is pretty fire. There's a medium. $17. Just have that vintage look to it. Got some U brand, pretty low end. Golden State Warriors shorts right here go for $13. All right, I've tried multiple jacket section. I tried the active tops. Really not much. Let's go move out to the sneakers. For being such a big Burlington, one of the smaller sneaker sections. Let's see what's up here. You do have a size 7. Most spots usually don't have a size 7. Don't really have the smaller size. Oh, this is a size 7. All right, do got a size 7 right here. $52.50. These are being clearanced out. Candace Parker size 9 right here. These are the Incredibles right here. Okay, Incredible branding everywhere. $30 for those. And of course, we got plenty of the Trae Young 2s here in various colors and various sizes. These are going for what, 40? Are they asking for 40? Damn, what the hell? Got some T-Mac 3s below right here. These are size 9.5, going for $35. And these in a couple different sizes. Size 10 right here. Which T-Macs are these? I don't remember. These are T-Mac 2s. Got T-Mac 2s. These are going for $30 as well. These are a size 10. They also have a size 9. Some cleats. I don't know what kind of cleats. These are size 10.5. These are Nike. And yeah, these are $20. And made with recycled material. I think these are for football. Okay. T-Mac 1s right here in a bigger size. Size 14. Still $40, I believe. $35. Got Crocs right here in a size 11. Going for $25. Color not right for me or for my kiddo. And then more and more Grant Hills. I'm tired of showing you guys Grant Hill. $35 for those. Got a Burlington right here. Let's go. Dang, just not seeing the quality of apparel items that we did see in Vegas. Guess we are checking out the sneakers. Did forget to mention, help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe, because I do drop tons and tons of sneaker content. All right, let's see what's with sneakers here. This store does start with the size 9s. Really not much in the size 9s. In the 9.5 section, got some 12s right here. Going for $35. Donovan Mitchell. I think these are the 4s, right? The volume 4s. Going for $35. These are size 9.5. Size 11 forms. Going for $37. More of these on sale. We've been seeing a ton of these on sale because they priced them for $70 down to $52. Zoom Terra Kigers if you need to go hiking. These are starting to get marked down too. $42. That's a bigger size. Got some Puigs right here, which are pretty dope. Material's always pretty nice on these. These are $35. Not too bad. If you see these, make sure you guys look at them carefully because they have a bunch of generic ones or a bunch of fake ones. And these are $20 made by American Exchange. They are not the Adidas foam runners. Did I say Adidas foam runners? I mean the Adidas foams. I do got these bad boys right here. More of these in a 9.5. Wannabe Vapor Max right here. Right next to that, do got some Candace Parkers in a smaller size. Size 6, going for $35. Are these the Vans we saw at the Vans outlet? Yep. 25 for those. Got some Grant Hills. I wore these. Or not this one. I did wear some Grant Hills yesterday, the OG ones. $35 for those. That's a 10.5. Supposed to be in the size 12, but I see some size 4s right here. Size 4 Zoom Freaks. Go for $50. Got a good line. Been seeing those way cheaper at the Nike outlets. Got some Witness. What are these Witness 4s? Go for $40. These are size 11. Do got some of these. Size 15, the Gill Zeros come for $40. Huge size. Got some Zoom Freak. What are these? The Zoom Freak 4s? Size 18 go for $50. I can't believe they want that much for those. We've seen those cheaper at the outlets. Alright, I gotta go pick up my kid from school. We're gonna hit some of these up. Alright, we're gonna hit up some more Ross later. Alright, let's go. This ain't even the OG spicy noodles. The OG one I think is Bulldog, which is like fire chicken. But yeah, they do got these here. They got these. These are hella spicy. If you want your mouth to freaking be on fire for like a week. Got some pho noodles right there. And do got some seaweed and stuff. There's like an Asian section right here. Oh, and then the American section right here. Got the Sour Patch Kids. Freaking a full pound. USA colorway right here. Red, white, and blue. $4. $4 and you get enough sugar for like 5 months. Alright, not much luck with these trips lately. Let's go see if we can find something at this spot. Panorama Ross right here, Panorama City. Let's go. Had some decent luck here. Not really finding too much. Did find this Nike OSU shirt. This is a Justin Fields shirt when he was a quarterback. But I say $17 though. God damn, that's kind of high. Yeah, dude. Got some NBA team apparel. Bulls hoodie right here. Pretty thin. Looks pretty decent to be really honest. $20 for these bad boys. This is it's not team apparel. It's U brand. Normally $75 supposedly. In the large section right here, do got a Nike Dry Fit. Nike Dry Fit Dodgers t-shirt. Dodgers definitely not playing well right now. $13, pretty solid. Normally $40, so that's not bad. Nike Dry Fit Cowboys t-shirt. I've seen this. I thought this at Lids, I think. Locker Room by Lids. $40 down to $13. Nike long sleeve. Is this Ohio? Is this for Ohio? I don't know. No, it just says Nike T. $50 down to $15. See multiple Nike swooshes on it. Nike running jacket, $62 down to who knows? Who knows? These have been fairly cheap though, super thin. I'm gonna have an Under Armour jacket right here. Normally $140 down to $35. That's pretty solid. And then of course Kyler Murray jerseys. This isn't a triple XL. But yeah, not too much else. Not too much else. Seen a couple of these Laker, the U brand for $25. Alright, not too much in the jacket section. Let's see what's up in the sneakers section right here. See some Vans going for $37. It's the only legit thing in the small sizes. Got some more of the same in the big section right here, $37. More Vans right here in the even bigger sizes. Got Hokas in a huge size of Clifton 8s. These are going for what, 80, right? Yeah, $80. Got Forms right here. Finally something decent, $45 for these, size 11. More of these Forms right here in a size 12. I'm gonna say we've been seeing these for like $50, $60. They're $45 here, so a few dollars cheaper than the retail shops. Got Uggs if you really need some fluffy slides, down to $20. And then of course, we got those in crazy huge sizes. Checking out the kids section. Not really seen too much. See some Vans, Pumas. See these Uggs. These Uggs right here. These are normally really expensive. They are down to $25. That's actually a really good deal. They got these suede bad boys right here. These are $40 though, size 5. Size 5 youth, $40 for these. Alright, checking out the women's. I think those Uggs, those red ones, I think I paid $105 for a pair similar to that around Christmas last year. Checking out the women's section now. It is after work, so not really finding much. Not really finding much. Probably one of the worst times to come is after work. That's when I really don't find much at all, to be honest. Dang it. All right, man. I'm determined to find some. Last store. Let's go. Starting with apparel. Isn't this the Jordan? The Jordan surfboard one? Yeah, where it looks like surfboard. Yeah, it is. Yep. Yeah, these normally go for $130. And yeah, they're down to $40. Got a couple of them. These are bigger size double XL and stuff. I got a couple of them. More double XL. Do got a running jacket, normally 60 down to $30. Got these in an XL as well. Got them in gray and black in the XL. UCLA Nike tee right here. It's a long sleeve t-shirt, $15. Normally $42. That's pretty fire. That's dope, actually. You see little Nike sign right there. That's actually dope. Got all kinds of Nike track jackets right here. Another XL. 85 down to 35. 85 to 35. That sounds nice. Another one of these in a large New Balance jacket. Been seeing these. Going for $35. Size medium. Got one. Going for $30. I got this Callaway hoodie right here. Or actually a pullover, my bad. $90 down to $27. Then in a small right here, you got a nice little NBA brand or NBA apparel, $25. Not the highest end, but it's not bad. And then is this really an extra small? Oh, it's a medium. It's a medium. This is nice. This is nice. Michigan State, $25. These usually ain't cheap. Yeah, normally $85. Wow, that's nice. Yo, this is just sitting right here. This is one of the dopest things I've seen. Look at this. Look at this. This is a small, though. It is a salute to service. Green Bay jersey. This is freaking fire. This is so fire. Look at this. $40. These are normally $180. $40. Yeah, I definitely can't fit a small. If this was a, what's it called? I might get it. If this was a medium, I might get it. Yeah, this is fire, dude. That is fire. That's the dopest thing we've seen so far. Moving on to the sneakers. What are these? The Under Armour Charged or something? $45 for those. Of course, we got some Hokas going for $80. And then Vans. I'm seeing plenty of those Vans going for $35. See one pair of Crocs size 15. They're going for $25. And great place to get socks if you need socks. We got high socks right here. Go for $7. Normally $18. And you can grab Adidas socks right here for $10. That's a 6-pack. And then Reebok socks right here too. That's $8 for a 6-pack. Got some Superstars right here. Those are marked down to $28. These are size 13, so not too big. And those Jordan 1s marked down to $63.